Okay, hold on. Okay. Don't. Okay. Well, it turned out not too bad, but there's definitely a lot of things I could have done better. The shelf itself is made out of poplar, and I was able to put rub the stain on with a towel, I think, which worked really well. And then I put that clear coat on here. I put a lot of coats of that off camera. I ended up putting like 5 coats of it on there, and then sanded it a little bit, and then put the final coat on. I also did that laser engraving, but it didn't really show up very well. You can't really see it unless you're kind of looking straight down at it. But there's a couple verses. There's one here, there's one there, one here, and then there's one down here towards the end. And the thing that I'm least happy about that I'm probably going to redo is the caulk line along the back. So this wall, you can't really see it, but it's so crooked. It waved in and out like big time. And so I ran the board straight along the wall, and then I had to caulk and fill that in and then try to paint it. Well, the caulk didn't turn out very good. So I'll probably end up having to redo that at a later time. These little supports turned out really good. They're just real basic. There's always these little touch-up things. So I put wood filler in here. This is stainable wood finish or wood filler. And I tried to stain it, and you know, yeah, it took the stain, but obviously you'll always see that. So I'm not real happy with that either. But I think that's the best it's gonna turn out. A couple little things I have to come back and touch up. There was a few little scratches here as I put this on and kind of slid it around, so I'll have to come back with a smaller little brush and just kind of touch up these little spots here. But it's not bad. It definitely masks it enough. If you're standing back, you know, further away, you don't really notice it quite that bad. Okay, so no, don't do that. That's a pool table. Get down. Get. You'll wreck everything. That picture will get hung up in this area above this outlet. So this is that outlet that has the USB ports on it, USB-C and USB-A, and so this will be a good place to charge phones, set drinks, and popcorn or snacks or whatever if we have company while we're hanging out down here playing pool. Overall, I'm real happy with how everything turned out down here. This wall was quite a disaster, and I did have to do some patches. You can kind of see the patches through there. They didn't turn out perfectly, but that picture will go up there, and so you won't be able to see that little bubble and some of the patchwork that was done when I moved that outlet down or other things. My drywall skills are not ideal. I really like how the Google Home, the thermostats, the Nest thermostats turned out. These are my favorite thermostats, smart thermostats, and so this one's for the wood boiler, this one's for the propane furnace, and both can be controlled on schedules and from my phone, and so works out really good. These smart lights I talk about in another video, and everything else just really turned out nice and clean. I still have one switch left to update over here. This is the old almond color, and I'm going to update these to smart switches as well. Hopefully you enjoyed tagging along for the next installment in this renovation down here. We're almost done. There's a couple little things to finish. We got some countertops to put in, a sink, and we'll test out all the plumbing and drain and all the stuff that has been put in previous videos. So that will button this thing up 100%, and finishing a few of these little switches and electrical things around here. So just little odds and ends to finish. Don't forget to hit thumbs up on today's video. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Throw some comments down below. I'd love to hear from you, those who've been watching for a long time and following along with all the different renovations I've done. I always like hearing from you guys, so throw a comment down below if you have a minute. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.